So welcome to my shoe repair shop. If the shoe fits, I am the island's only shoe repair, and I not only do shoes, but I also do handbags and all kinds of random things. So I'm going to show you a couple of options when it comes to sewing. I've got this amazing stitcher here that just goes through all kinds of leather, and it does certain things like, because of this long arm, I can sew inside a boot. So we'll start with the boots. This one is this awesome Ariat that I carry Ariats, and he didn't buy it from me, but I do love this pattern. It's not waterproof, so it's one of the reasons I don't carry it. But he likes to have a zipper in the back, so I am installing a zipper for him. And so, you know, we do things like that. That'll look kind of cool, make it easy for him to get into the boot. And then we also do a lot of strap shortening because, I mean, I'm 5'5", so the strap fits me well, but on the shorter gals, they can get really long. So we'll be shortening something like that. I do a lot of those. And then I change out purse straps because a lot of these straps, such as this one, they look like this over time. And I'm sure that you guys can relate. You probably have something in your closet that looks like that. And we went ahead and went with a dark brown. This is actual real purse strapping. It's made differently than just a strip of leather. So it holds up to the extra weight that you put in a bag. And because this original bag had this brown detailing on the edging, we went ahead and chose this dark brown, and it really does look quite nice. So that's this pretty coach. Then the same client also had another one of these. Now I actually get a lot of this, and Michael Kors makes the same material. And so, hold on here. All right, so this coach bag, same thing, short straps, and the handles were just deteriorating, so we changed that out. And now it looks super cute. I could even put gold rivets to match. She didn't want that on this, we just went plain. And then we also have this really fun, this is an Yves Saint Laurent, and this is a vintage bag. It has this really cool lock on it. I just thought that was really neat. I love the detailings of the classic bags. And of course her straps were also deteriorating and breaking off. And so I tried to replace them with the like size and, you know, same distance. So that's this pretty bag. And then I do things like this. I have one of my favorite clients. Has this beautiful Gucci bag, and the interior suede is wearing out, so I ordered this beautiful real suede, and this is actually the color I will be using, and we're going to line the inside of this Gucci bag with it, and it'll be quite yummy and delicious. And then we also have this Ed Hardy bag, which is completely disintegrated. They used a paint on leather and it just disintegrated over time. So I actually, and she wanted this replaced, so I have ordered a new piece of the nylon webbing and change out the whole strap. So you can get a lot of things done here. Just bring them in and let us look at them for you. And you might wait a couple of weeks, but we'll help you out. If the shoe fits, ala maha in Kahului.